today? Hello guys, welcome back. How you doing today? Hope you're doing well. I'll be showing us how to make this high-low flared top. I have 3 yards of crepe fabric here. So we'll go ahead and fold that fabric. I think I'll be using this side of the fabric. This other side is too dull. I will be using this other side. So it's a two-faced fabric. So I'll turn it to this side. I'll fold my fabric into two. My fabric is 60 inches by length. Folded the fabric into two. I will fold it again like a triangle, like so. So my fabric is folded into 4 in a triangle form. It's a high-low top. I'll be using the full length to cut it out, and later on we'll cut out the front part. So we'll go ahead and take the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'm going to be adding ½ inch for sewing allowance. So I will go to this upper part and look for where 8½ inches fall into. This is 8½ inches. I'm cutting the front and the back together. So this side is open and this side is the folded edge. This folded edge is the side I'm going to place the neck measurement. I've done series of this video in this channel. I'll mark 3½ inches for the neck width. I will use 1.5 inches for the back depth and use 3½ inches for the front depth. I will go ahead and connect the back and the front neckline. Shoulder, this is the shoulder. I will mark 1 inch for shoulder slope right on the shoulder line here. I will connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. I will place the armhole measurements here. To get the armhole measurement, you will divide your bust measurement by 6 plus 1.5 inches. The one I'm working with is 8½ inches. Right on the shoulder slope, I will mark 8½ inches. So I will still place 8½ inches here. The shoulder measurement I placed here, I will still place it here. I'll mark 8½ inches. So I will connect this to the shoulder slope. That's the armhole. I will place 1/4 of the bust measurement here. The bust measurement I'm working with is 42 inches. Divided by 4 is 10½ inches. I'll be adding extra 1.5 inches to it because it's a free top, and add 1 inch for sewing allowance. 1.5 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. This is now my chest line. This is the midpoint of the armhole, 4½ inches. I will come inside by 1/4 inch and come inside by 3/4 inch. So I will come inside by 1/4 inch and connect it like so. That's the back armhole. Then I'll come inside by 3/4 inch. That's the front armhole. I will curve the back one. This is the front armhole. 3/4 inch. We'll just bring it down right from here all the way to the length of the top. So I will mark the length. I'll be using 36 inches for the full length. I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 37 inches. After cutting it out, we now go ahead and cut out the front part. So right from the shoulder here, I will mark 36 inches. I'm marking 37 inches, sorry. So I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. 37 inches. So I will still go to this upper part. So what I will do is to place my staple here. I like placing it here. If you like, you can place it here and rotate it 36 inches. But I would like to place it here. I'll go to this top here and check how many inches I have. 47 inches. Remember, from the shoulder measurement is 37 inches. So right from the top here is 47 inches. And right from the shoulder is 37 inches. So I just want to start it from here so that I will have that accurate measurement. Is either you place your staple here, you take 37 inches round, or you place it here, take it all the way to the 37 inches you marked out earlier, and mark it round. So right from the top here, I'll mark 47 inches round. I'll just take this down. I will go ahead and then cut it out. Okay. I will cut out the back neckline. I'm cutting out the back armhole. So I will bring the front part. So I will take the back out of the way. I will cut the front neck and the back armhole. I will cut the front armhole. But this is the back side. I will make a back slit here so the dress can go through easily. I will make about 6 inches back slit. I will cut it open. So I will bring the front part out again. So we'll be cutting some part out from the front part because it's high-low. So this is the front part. The fabric is folded into two. Remember, the full length is 37 inches plus sewing allowance. I'll be cutting out about 10 inches. So right from the bottom here, I will mark 10 inches and then connect it to this edge here. I will connect it. I'm curving it, I'm not cutting it straight. I will leave this 1 inch here because I'll use this to join the side. I'll take it from here, from that 1 inch I marked, and take it to this. I will cut this side out. If you open it up, so I will go ahead and then cut out the sleeves. So 2 yards of fabric will be enough for this tie, not 3 yards, please. So I'll go ahead and then fold my fabric into two. I'll be cutting out a 3/4 sleeve. I marked out 8.5 inches for the armhole. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance, that's 9.5 inches. I'll mark 9.5 inches here. And the length is 19 inches for sewing allowance. I'll come down by 4 inches from the top line here, mark it like so. The round sleeve is 10 inches, divided by 2 is 5 inches. I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance, that's 6 inches. I will go to the upper part here, make a curve here to make this 4 inches. I'll bring it down to this 6 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. We're done with the cutting. Go ahead and put the fabric together. I'll use a bias tape to hem the neckline. I will stitch it right from the right side and turn it to the wrong side. I will do the same thing for the back side. After I've done that, I will join the front and the back together. I'll make sure right side are facing each other. You will join the side with 1 inch. This is the main reason I left 1 inch. By the time you join them together, they will align. So I will sew the shoulders with 1/2 inch and stitch the side with 1 inch. So guys, I'm done joining the side. This is the neck. I've also hemmed the neckline. So I use 1/2 inch to hem the back slit. You fold 1/4 inch twice and hem it round. What we are going to do next is I will join the sleeves together and attach the sleeve to the dress. I will use 1 inch to hem the sleeve, the button, and use 1 inch to join the side. I will hem the button of the dress. I will use 1/2 inch to hem it round. So guys, I'm done joining the sleeves. I've also hemmed the lower part. I'll go ahead and attach the sleeve. I will turn the dress to the wrong side. This is the right side of the sleeve. I will tuck it inside. I will match the side seam together and use 1/2 inch to join them together. So guys, I'm done attaching the sleeves to the top. And we are done with the top. This is the back. I will add a pressing button here. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're here for the first time. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.